how to create shortcut in Google Chrome. So here is how to do so. So as you can see, there is plus icon available in your Google Chrome. Create shortcut. Now in order to do so, let me navigate to a web page. First of all, I'm navigating to the Pinterest for an example. So here I'm in my Pinterest account in Google Chrome. Now first of all I have to do is copy the URL at the search address bar. Make sure to copy it. Then go back and tap on the new shortcut option available there. Once you tap on it, you'll get to see name and URL option available. Type down the name for your URL. I'm typing down Pinterest. Then paste the URL and tap on the save option available there. So this is this easy. Now all you have to do is tap on the shortcut from your Google's home screen and navigate to your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.